The story now of a young man from a small community in St. Mary who is making big moves. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson journeyed to see his farming operation and has the details.
Carlton Bell.
The Prime Minister's Youth Award for Agriculture, won by Carlton Bell, but well received by so many people from his community in St. Mary. Carlton is one of their Maroon boys turned young man doing well.
We always look for him and know if we find him. Him down at the bottom of the yard do some sort of farming. Sometimes I say, boy, what you do down there? You know, see your brown mind tick seat off. You know, but him just have a passion for farming.
As a small community, a small Maroon community, we are very, very proud of him. And I know he's going places. You know, he's not going to stop here.
This is the farming operation which gained him attention. He has acres of land under banana and plantain production. He also owns 12 pigs and hundreds of chickens. This area of land is reserved for a goat farm. But what makes his story more interesting is that he travels daily from St. Mary to Urimona for classes. He's a first-year student.
All right, well, I'm doing banking and finance, but, you know, in everything, in every business, you need the accounting to be, you know, good so that you can make a profit and you can see where you're making a loss and all of that capacity. You know. In terms of econ, when you're studying econ, you know about, you know, the law of diminishing returns and all of that. So that can actually help you when you're doing even crops, because you know that when you plant a certain amount, after a while, the soil is going to give you less output. So, you know, you need to go to another place and, you know, the law. So there's a lot of things. There's a lot of link to it.
But how does he keep on top of business classes and farming?
This semester I only go to school 3 days, because I have classes only 3 days. So the other 2 days, I do come and ensure that everything is, you know, going good, because I have people that work with me on the farm, but, you know, it's your business. You have to ensure that everything is going well. So, yeah, so every free time I get after school, I come, spend even, you know, an hour to ensure that everything is in order.
Carlton employs 2 permanent workers. Another 4 members of the community are temporarily employed when chickens are being prepared for market.
They don't really pressure me like that, since, you know, we are, especially now, when we are doing expansion, you know, it's a lot of money spending. So, you know, they are very helpful. So if, you know, I don't have a lot to give, they still.
And talking about expansion, this structure is being built to prepare chickens, pigs and goats.
Because, you know, people are consuming what you are producing. So right now we are building a slaughterhouse, and that slaughterhouse will ensure that we are actually, you know, taking into consideration all of the Ministry of Health guidelines so that we can put out quality goods on the market. So right now we kind of scale down on operations. We only do to order, chickens to order, and we are building the slaughterhouse. So when we are through with that now, we will increase production.
The young farmer said help is welcome.
It's definitely going to get bigger because, you know, what I really want to do in life is be a CEO of a holding company. So I'll have different companies. This is just the beginning, and I will, you know, definitely link it to other industries, you know. And if people want to help me, they can reach out to me, Scott Salz Farm on Instagram, or, you know, you can reach out to me personally at 223-4546. That's the business number.
The trick now is to create the conditions needed to make the next Carlton Bell. Reporting from Scott's Hall in St. Mary, I'm Dwayne Anderson for TVJ News.
Coming up in this newscast, U.S. President Joe Biden's administration set to reclassify marijuana as a less dangerous drug. We'll be right back.